Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to assemble and fill your sheet cake with a gel, buttercream, whipped cream, fruits, or just anything you desired. So guys, why wait? Let's get started. So here my lovelies, I have my cake that I am going to assemble and fill with whipped cream. I love the taste of whipped cream, y'all, so I will be filling the cake with whipped cream. So here I also have a bag with white whipped cream, green and red, and sprinkles. So I'll use a knife to cut the cake. Into two portions. I will now use a cake board to remove the top layer. Just like this, guys. Remove the extra crumbs. If you are using a plate or a turntable to decorate your cake on, guys, that's fine, but if not, you have to put your cake on a cake board that you can easily move the cake. So now let's go with the whipped cream. I will now start from this end like this. And a tip, if you are using a gel, you need to use a butter to keep the gel or fruits or anything from running out on the side. And try to keep the filling at the same level as the butter. Now I will replace the top layer so you just slide it off like this, just like that, guys. Now I will use a spatula to smooth the sides. And here you have it, guys. I will now go ahead and add the whipped cream. So here you have it, guys, all smooth and will stand up to your cake. So this is my homemade whipped cream. I will now use the scraper to get the top level. So my lovelies, to get the corners of your cake straight, you hold your spatula or your scraper like this and go around the sides. There you go, guys. I will use my scraper just to give it a little design at the side, guys. Or you can call it a comb. So I just want to give it a little design at the sides. There you go, guys, just perfect. So now I will go ahead and add the decoration, guys. Christmas is the Christmas cake, so I will be adding Christmas decoration. So here I'm adding the decoration, guys. So here I have my house, and this is the walkway. Here I'm adding some trees, guys. All I did was add some whipped cream to the decor. So now I will place this one right here. This one over here. And it is snowing, guys. It is snowing. And here goes Santa, good old Santa, and he is all jolly and is all jolly, guys. He is jolly. Merry, Merry Christmas. And here I have the chocolate, ho ho ho. So Santa is merry and he is happy to see us. Santa is so happy to see us, guys. Merry, Merry Christmas. Now I will add some sprinkles at the sides to make it more colorful. Here I have some green. So I'm going to go ahead and add to the beauty. Now I'm adding the red. So it's getting even prettier and just beautiful, guys. So here we go, guys. It is snowing, but Santa is happy to see us. A Merry, Merry Christmas to one and all.